guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd come on and share with you some different packaging ideas that I have for your Happy Mail swaps. So this is the first one here. This is a decorated bag. So as you can see, it just opens up the top and you can fit different packages in there. So what I've done is I've got two sheets of paper. The first one I folded in half, which is this blue one here, and then stitched it across, and then I've added this ripped paper on here and just on a cluster. I think this is a really cute way to package up something flat and thin, whether that be, you know, it might be something little and thin that you can just slip in, or maybe you're gifting some thicker embellishments, so something like this should also fit in there. So ways you can gift different things. You can then seal it up at the top by stitching it or leaving it opened. I prefer to leave it open just because I think this one is so pretty that I'd love people to be able to reuse it. So that's the first one. Then next, this is like a way you can package up kind of more rounder objects, so things are a bit strange shape. You make like a belly band. So this is a belly band using some ribbon. I've got this ruffled trim, and then I've layered a more thinner ribbon on top, and then I've just put a word on there. I glued it on top of it, but you could technically use it so that it's not stuck on, and then I just glued a little one on top. This is just a tube of different sequins mixes, so a way to package up something that's a bit more of a different shape. And the next one is using up different types of packaging. So this is just a random piece of like a gift I'm giving to someone, and this is a bag that I have that has a bunny on it. And I've just put it with some trim to give it a little bit more interest, and because of that I can make it as thin as possible, so you could even use this in flat mail. So really cool, and just a glittery peg. This one is a very simple way to package embellishments compared to, you know, your more highly decorated one with this. Then next, if you want to kind of go halfway between the two, this is a tiny little embellishment. This one here was gifted to me. I'm just reusing it, that they can peel off and use themselves. And then you can also put some trim on there, so it gives a little bit more interest and texture whilst also gifting someone something, because as you can see, this comes off and now you've gifted them some trim as well. So this is just another way you can do things. I'm just going to pop over the top. And you put it on, so there you go. Inside of here is just a sheet mask, and it's really simple. They can reuse the bag. And then kind of in the middle of the two is another one, which I've got in here a packet of ephemera. You just fold the 12 by 12 scrapbooking sheet or wrapping paper over the top like so, and then you just stitch around whatever you're sending, and then put an embellishment on the front, and you're done. So it's really easy, and you know, you can make a lot of these different bags ahead of time so that when you are doing a swap, really quick, put your embellishment on, seal the top, and then you're done. So that is just a couple of different ways that you can package up embellishments for different types of swaps. So I hope you enjoyed this video and gave you some ideas of how to make some cute packaging for your Happy Mail. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.